In just 90 days, the AI platforms managing my money delivered a 37% annualized return, while I literally did nothing. But here's the part no one talks about. One of the AIs made a move that genuinely freaked me out, and almost cost me everything. Stick around because this experiment went from fun little test to what just happened. Real quick. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and I test the tools we're all curious about but maybe too scared to try. For years, people have asked, can AI really manage your money better than you can? And honestly, I've always been skeptical. You mean not trust a robot with your hard-earned cash? Not happening. But then, early this year, markets got unpredictable. Inflation news, mixed earnings, tech volatility, and I kept seeing AI-driven investing platforms pop up everywhere. So I decided to stop theorizing. It took $10,000 of my own money I would have otherwise put into a diversified ETF and handed it over to 3 AIs for exactly 90 days. And I told myself? No intervention. No manual trades. No panic selling. Just, let the machines run. The platforms I used. I wanted a mix of established robo-advisors and pure AI strategy. So he shows. Wealthfront conservative, reliable automation. Betterment est known for smart portfolio tweaks and tax loss harvesting. ChatGPT Plus custom strategy, I literally asked it to design a moderate risk portfolio and rebalance monthly based on market signals. Each AI got $3,333, except ChatGPT which got $3,334 because math is messy. Starting capital. Total, $10,000. Duration. Exactly 90 days au market open to market close. Risk profile. I told each platform. Moderate risk. M for long-term growth without doing anything wild. Which 2 of them listened to? The third, well, we'll get there. Note catastrophique, but it was the first moment I thought. Yep. This is why real investment platforms have compliance teams. Entre 6h et 7h30 the results. Alright, numbers time. After 90 days, here's the final tally. Total gain? Plus $3,700. Which equals a 37% annualized return. Platform breakdown. Wealthfront, plus $780. Betterment, plus $1,540. ChatGPT Custom Strategy, plus $1,780, the riskiest one. Comparison to the market. During the same 90-day window, the S&P 500 returned about plus 12% annualized. So yes, AI beat the market in this specific test. Fees paid. Between advisory fees and ETF fees? $150 total. Honestly? Worth it. Time spent not catastrophic, but it was the first moment I thought. Yep. This is why real investment platforms have compliance teams. Alright, numbers time. After 90 days, here's the final tally. Total gain? Plus $3,700. Which equals a 37% annualized return. Platform breakdown. Wealthfront, plus $780. Betterment, plus $1,540. ChatGPT Custom Strategy, plus $1,780, the riskiest one. Comparison to the market. During the same 90-day window, the S&P 500 returned about plus 12% annualized. So yes, AI beat the market in this specific test. Fees paid. Between advisory fees and ETF fees? $150 total. Who should avoid it? Anyone who wants full manual control. People who enjoy stock picking. High-risk investors chasing huge swings. My final take. After seeing the results? I'm keeping 70% of my portfolio in AI-managed accounts. Not because AI is magic, but because it's consistent, emotionless, and honestly just way better at sticking to a plan than I am. If you want me to do a 180-day update or test high-risk AI strategies, hit that like button and comment what you want me to try next. Thanks for watching and good luck out there. Before I wrap this up, there is something else I didn't expect from this 90-day experiment, and it actually changed how I think about money entirely. ** extra segment 2 minutes. The human side of letting AI control your money ***. When I started this challenge, I thought the hardest part would be the technical side. But honestly, the hardest part was the psychology. There were moments, especially during that volatility in month 2, when I wanted to grab my phone, override the AI, and just sell everything. You know that instinct? That little voice saying, "This is going down, get out now?" Yeah, that voice was screaming. But here's where things got interesting. Every time I felt emotional, the AIs did the opposite. They weren't scared. They didn't hesitate. They didn't doomscroll market news on Twitter at 1h du matin. And that is what moment dies for me. I realized the AI wasn't just managing my portfolio. It was managing my worst impulses. At one point in week 7, when the market dropped nearly 2% in a single session, I actually paused the experiment and hovered over the sell button. I felt the panic. My stomach clenched. But the AI? It bought the dip. Not aggressively, just calm, systematic purchasing. And 3 days later, the portfolio recovered and pushed even higher. That was the moment I thought, okay, maybe the real weakness in my investing strategy is me. Wealthfront felt like the responsible accountant in the room. Slow, steady, safe. Always fixing little imbalances before they became big problems. Betterment was the optimizer. Constant little tweaks, almost invisible, but surprisingly effective over time. ChatGPT's custom strategy was the wild card, sometimes brilliant, sometimes questionable, but undeniably aggressive in a way that paid off this time, and might not next time. Seeing these 3 styles side by side made something click. AI investing isn't about predicting the future. It's about eliminating human noise. If there is one thing these 90 days taught me, it's this. AI doesn't need to be perfect to outperform me. It just needs to be consistent. No emotions. No fear. No FOMO. And honestly, that alone is worth part of my portfolio.